this area. What's going on, people? It is a snowy day here in Mentor, Ohio. What stupid door won't always close. So anyway, what's going on, people? Today is Sunday, December 1st. This is my official winter, when Christmas starts for me. CCB all in November. For me, it's this today. So, and the Lord blessed us, if that's what you want to call it, with a winter wonderland here in Mentor, which we just went to church and there was like no snow. And our church we go to is probably like a 15-minute freeway ride from here. And then we come back and I'm like, oh, maybe it stopped. But literally, like, it's like, I guess, I don't know what they call it. Like, gotta be just like I don't even know how to weatherly explain it, but snow is just sitting on top of it. It's like this area, just this area here, and we're getting pummeled with it. So, but we need the grocery shop. So I figured I would take you guys along with me. I would have showed you guys brushing this car off and getting all the snow off of it, but I didn't feel like setting up the camera, just being honest. But yeah, look at all this snow. Focus. There we go. So, see all that snow? It's like probably like a foot of snow. If I was to put my foot in it, I would show you guys. Like, my foot probably, it's just snow goes all the way to the top of my feet. So, we are headed to go grocery shopping. Just because it's snowing doesn't mean that we don't still need to get food. So, let's go to the grocery store.
Hey y'all, good morning. Happy Sunday. It's not morning, it's 1:30. We just got home from church and it is like, it's a freaking blizzard outside. Like, it is getting down out there. You go and get a tattoo. Maybe take a makeup class where someone literally shows you how to do your makeup. And March just went grocery shopping. We had no groceries, of course. And he was like, I can go or you can go. And I was like, because we didn't want to take everybody, obviously. So I was like, just go. So gave him a list. So he's grocery shopping. I'm about
Hey, so when you say large Ziploc bags, you mean like the gallon ones, right? Okay, I just wanted to make sure. Alright.
The snowman is all around town. Watch out for rain, these are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day.
I'm about to do this voiceover. We're gonna clean up this space. I'm in the middle of doing laundry, so there's just a lot of really resetting kind of going on today. I'm probably gonna cook a couple meals later for my meal prep for the week, and really just kind of, I'm gonna work, but kind of chill out, you know what I mean? It's Sunday, it's, like I said, it's like a blizzard outside, so it's just a really nasty day, but very pretty. And we're just gonna spend it in the house getting ourselves together after a long weekend.
Lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, ooh, ooh.
dinner time, y'all. Mark cooked us dinner, and we got a little seafood boil going. Some crab legs, lobster tail, some potatoes, shrimp in there. Oh, I'm about to tear this up.
What's up? So, weird angle. I know those crab legs I cooked for dinner were busting. Y'all seen the wife showing that off. I am stuffed. I cooked crab legs, lobster tail, potatoes, shrimp. I was thinking about cooking sausage too. Happy I did not. But everybody's full. You can always tell when it's a good meal when it ain't a whole lot of talking going on. Like we was down there, me, Mari, and Cece. Not a whole lot of conversation had, but yeah, I think I am about to get in the shower, get ready to wrap up this night. This snow is still coming down. When I get up in the morning, I'll show you how. I know I showed y'all kind of like what it looked like outside, but I didn't step in the snow. Like literally, the snow is snowing so much. We got like one of those, like I won't say TV prompter, but like those projectors that like project snowflakes onto the house for like outside decorations, and it's submerged in the snow. That's how deep the snow is right now, and it's like in my yard. So that thing is at least 8 inches tall, like 8-9 inches. So it's like it's crazy, like stupid monster snow out there tonight. So kids already don't have school tomorrow, so it ain't like we gotta worry about them getting school canceled or anything like that, because they already didn't have school. So I am back to work. I don't think I told y'all this, but I was off of work all this week, so this was my little staycation this week, and I'm back in the office tomorrow. I only got a 9:30. I do have a 1 and a 2:30. I'm in the 2:30 is my call. And my dude who I have that one-on-one call with is was on vacation this week too. So I'm probably gonna move that just to get like readjusted to being back in the office, or back to work I should say, because I am not going in the office tomorrow, not with all this snow. Be working right from the comfort of that office space downstairs. So but yeah, I think I'm about to get in the shower, call it a night, and keep this daily vlogging going. I gotta figure out a way to get creative, because it's one of the reasons why I like stopped vlogging, because I feel like y'all be getting bored with me, and like it's like, damn, how many, like I don't want to keep showing y'all me walking from the living room to the office to the bedroom to the office. I don't know, gotta get more creative. I be watching Cece when she vlogs, and she's very creative on how she maneuvers through the house, even though she works from home, so a lot of her content is filmed right here. So let's see if I can pick up some more cues from her. But anyway, I'm rambling. I keep finding new reasons to keep talking. I am getting off of here. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.